it.
Are you videotaping it, Mom?
He's gonna bite her, I have a feeling. Okay, you better let go. Oops, be nice.
Go get him, Claire. Get him.
Go get him. Go get him. Go get the kitty.
Go pet the kitty. Go pet the kitty, Claire. Just plop right on.
Watch where we're going there. That cat. Surprised it's not getting pissed. Oh, I think he's getting a little mad now. Come here, Claire. Let go.
Can you let go of Holstein? There you go, Claire.